My name is Connor Norman Banks and welcome to our kitchen. My mom is the Flip Flop Chef and I'm going to be doing a review of this week's Crumbl Cookies. So I'm going to start with the lemon one. I don't remember what it was the full name was. Something with lemon.
Lemon crinkle maybe?
Yeah, lemon crinkle. Nine.
9.
I rated a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
And next I'm going to try the cookie dough. And these look like marshmallows, but they're not marshmallows. And these are mini chocolate chips.
They're little bits of chocolate chip cookie dough. That's what they are.
Mmm.
How do you rate that one?
10.
10. Oh, we're on a roll.
It's a good one.
Wait, was lemon 9 or 10?
9.
9 and 10. That's a pretty good start though.
This week was really good. This one was my least favorite.
Which is very unusual for the chocolate to be your least favorite. Why was it your least favorite though?
Walnuts.
Walnuts.
I don't like walnuts, so I'm gonna try the pink donut one next.
So they made a cookie that looks like a donut.
In the middle.
Mm-hmm. They cut the hole out of the middle. How do you rate it, Connor?
9.
Wow. I thought you said you didn't like that one very much.
Now I do.
Now
So
you do.
I'm gonna eat the s'mores one, which is probably my favorite.
Okay. Because you love marshmallows. You're not choking on a marshmallow, are you?
It's hard to get cooked marshmallows down.
Yeah. So can you even rate that one, or is it off the chart?
10.
10, okay.
And now I'm going to eat the chocolate walnut one. I think that's what it's called. And I think the sides were a little overbaked.
Okay, a little overbaked.
4.5.
4.5, wow.
Really not very good. There's
Okay.
not much flavor.
All right.
So, I definitely recommend this week's Crumbl Cookies. Bye.